First of all, I would like to say thanks to all of you for supporting me. Your response regarding my channel is so phenomenal. So keep supporting and keep watching, and do subscribe our YouTube channel for my next videos. So in our today's video, I'm going to show you some amazing do it by yourself scrap small wood craft ideas that will inspire you to reuse and upcycle your scrap wood in a better ways. So let's get started. Do it by yourself project are an excellent way to unleash your creativity and create something unique and personal. Scrap wood is a versatile and affordable material that can be responded into a various do it by yourself craft, adding character and rustic charm to your home decor. In this video, we will share some amazing do it by yourself scrap wood craft ideas that you can try at your home and do something different with your scrap wood. A rustic wooden wall shelf are a great way to add some natural warmth and texture to your walls. They are simple to make and can be customized to suit your decor style. To make this shelf, you will need some scrap wood, brackets, screws, and a drill. Cut the scrap wood to the desired length and sand the edges off to keep them smooth. Attach a bracket to the wall using screw and then attach a shelf to the brackets using screws. You can leave the wood is its natural state or paint it with a color and match your decor. A wooden pallet coffee table is a fantastic do it by yourself project that adds a rustic touch to your living room. To make this table, you will need a wooden pallet, sandpaper, asa, drill, and some screws. Cut the pallet wood to the desired size and sand the edges to make them smooth. Attach four legs to the pallet using screws, and your coffee table is ready. A wooden wine rack is a perfect addition to any kitchen, dining room. It not only look great but also keep your wine bottle organized. To make this wine rack, you will need some scrap wood, a saw, sandpaper, and a drill. Cut the scrap wood into small pieces and sand the edge and make them smooth. Drill a hole in the center of each piece, making sure they are spaced evenly. Stack the piece to top for each other and glue them together. You can leave the wood in its natural state and paint it with a color that match your decor. The wooden coaster are an easy and the practical do-it-by-yourself project that can make in a one time. To make these coaster, you will need some scrap wood, sandpaper, and a saw. Cut the scrap wood into a small pieces and sand the edges off to make them smooth. You can leave the wood in its natural state and paint it with a color that match your decor. A wooden photo frame is a great way to showcase your favorite pictures. To make this frame, you will need some scrap wood, sandpaper, asa, and some picture frame hardwares. Cut the scrap wood into four pieces, two for the side and two for the top and bottom. Sand the edges to make them smooth and attach the piece together using glue or the nails. Attach the picture frame hardware to back the frame and you are done. A wooden serving tray is a fantastic do-it-by-yourself project that adds a touch of elegance to any dining table. To make this tray, you will need some scrap wood, sandpaper, saw, and some handles. Cut the scrap wood to the desired size and length and then sand the edges to make them smooth. Attach the handles to the side of the tray using screws and your serving tray is ready for use. A wood planter are a great way to bring some greenery into your home. To make this planter, you will need some scrap wood, sandpaper, a saw, and some screws. Cut the scrap wood into the desired size and shapes. Sand the edges to make them smooth and attach the pieces together using screws. You can leave the wood in its natural state or paint with your favorite color and match your decor in a better way. There are many advantages and benefits of scrap wood. You can use in your do-it-by-yourself project. Scan giving and purchasing scrap wood can often be much cheaper than buying brand new lumber. This make it an ideal option for do-it-by-yourself ideas on a tight budget. By using scrap wood, you are giving new life to a material that might have otherwise been thrown away and or burned. This reduces the waste and contribute to the more sustainable life. Here is our today's video. Thanks for being here and do subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos. Keep watching and keep supporting. Thank you so much.